Good morning, my dear students. Good morning, everybody. Today, we will complete the vocabulary strategy. Today is Thursday, 28th of May, 2020, and we will take Mr. Tannen's tie trouble. I know that this story is not in your books, but I want you to just learn it from our PPT and our PDF. Let's start. Today, we will learn vocabulary strategy of lesson 16. Our outcomes for today are: I can identify the meaning of homographs for vocabulary words. I can explain the homographs meaning. I can use the homographs words vocabulary in sentences. I want first to review the vocabulary words for yesterday. The first word with us is account, budget, chuckled, disappointed, fund, receive, repeated, steering. The word account, a record of money saved and spent. Budget, an amount of money set for spending. Chuckled, laughed or giggled. Disappointed, displeased or unhappy. Fund, money to be used for a special purpose. Receive, accepted or taken. Repeated, said again. Staring, looking intently or looking into your eyes. I want you to open this link to know more about homographs. And if you have the PPT, you can open it by yourself. The homographs are words with the same spellings but different meanings and pronunciation. What is a homograph? Homo means same, graph writing. They are two words with the same sound or the same writing, but they are different in pronunciation or in meaning. Let's see this video.
We have already discussed about homonyms. Please watch that video if you haven't already or need a revision. Links are in the description. Homonyms are further divided into two parts. One is homophone and other is homograph. In the previous lesson, we have discussed about homophones. Go check it. Links for that are also in the description. In this video, we are going to discuss about
Now, the homographs, they are like you can see here in the picture. You have two words with the same writing but different in meaning. Okay, if you look here on your right, you have the word palm. It means this part from your hand or the palm here. Jam, it's like a traffic jam or jam that we are eating. Roll, the one we are taking from napkins or tissues, or this roll that we are eating. Mark, the one you get in the class, or mark on money. Ball, that you are dancing inside. It's like a big stadium that you have weddings or things like that, or the same ball that you are playing with. Fine, that the policeman who gave you, or you are fine. Let's complete. Homograph, same spelling, different meaning, same or different pronunciation. Meaning depends on where and how it is used in a sentence. Example, the baby tear the paper into pieces. The girl felt sad and a tear rolled on her cheek. The first one means he cut the paper into small pieces. But the second one means she has tears in her eyes like drops of water when you are sad. Here, the word bow. In the first one, bow here means, as you see in the picture, as someone to bend the knee or body or incline the head as solution or acknowledgement. He took bow after his musical performance. But the other bow, it's a noun, a flexible strap of wood bent by string. This bow that you are shooting with like an arrow. He drew the bow and sent the arrow to its target. Now you understand the first word. We have the word minute. The first minute, it's a noun, means the sixth part of, uh, as you just learned it in the hour, or in the clock, that we have a minute, it's 60 seconds. Wait a minute, but me not, it's an adjective extremely small. If you have something so minor and something so small, very, 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 very small, all the minute particles were clearly visible under the microscope. Wind and wind. Okay, so wind, it's a noun. It means air in natural motion, as that moving horizontally at any velocity along the Earth's surface, a gentle wind below through the valley. If you remember, we took it in a story that winding in animals' homes, that winding to change direction or to bend or turn frequently. Do you remember when we said that we have small animals winding and make winding here, it's make like curly or zigzag? The wall clock needs daily winding. Lead and led. The first lead, it's a verb to go before or with, to show the way, conduct, or escort. I was given the responsibility to lead a team of students. Lead here used as a noun, meaning a heavy, comparatively soft, malleable, plush, gray metal. Lead is used for making pencil. Read and read. Read, it's present simple, to study now, and the students were asked to read the answer quietly. On the other hand, read in the past tense, to study, as in the past tense, I had read this book last year. Now it's our time for our reader's notebook. Let's open our reader's notebook. Look for the words in the sentence that show the meaning of the underlined word. Circle one or more clue words in each sentence. I gave my mom a present for her birthday. Here, the word present means a gift or not absent. It means a gift. Does your baby brother ever rest? The word rest means is left to go or to sleep. It means to sleep. Are you a pupil in my class? Pupil here means student, or pupil here also means part of the eye. This circle inside your eye means student. Make a ring around your answer. Here, ring means circle or sound of a pill. It's a circle. And there is another meaning for the word ring, the one that we are wearing inside our hands. Please take this slip to the office. Slip here, small piece of paper, slide easily. It's a small piece of paper. Please wait a second and I will answer your question. Here, second, right after the first part of a minute. It's just the first part of a minute. Now, if you did it, let's do our exercises. I want you, this is more exercises. It's not in your book. We will just do it by ourselves. Okay. Homographs, read the sentence, circle the letter of the meaning of the bold word. I dove into the lake. here dove, a kind of a bird, or jump head first? It's jump head first. I was present that day in class. Being there or a gift means being there. It is time for a farmer to sow his seeds. A female beg or to plant. To plant. I didn't notice that there was a tear in my shirt. A rip or liquid that comes from the eye. It's a rip, means a cut in your shirt. He rose from his chair to answer the door. It means moved higher, or kind of flower moved higher. And number 6, Grandpa told me that he was feeling well. It means a deep hollow, or not sick. Not sick. Is it clear? Okay. You will find the answers in the PPT on the next page. Okay. Also, if you need this one, it's already done for you. Now I want you to use the words that I circled them and try to do it by yourself and write the meanings. The word bow in the first sentence, Lily put a new bow in her hair. It means a ribbon. A dove here, a kind of bird. A grandmother brought me a present. Present here means a gift. I had to remember to wind my watch, to turn or wrap. I didn't notice that there was a tear in my shirt. Tear here means a rip. Okay, thank you. You have the whole answers. Now it's your time for your exit ticket. I want you to choose one word, try to do a picture on it, and try to write its definition from what we already studied today. Also, we have online games if you want to practice more, and I want you to tell me how do you feel about today's lesson, if you dislike or if you just or if you like, and tell me why. Don't forget to do our Merzano evaluation from 1 to 4. Thank you, grade 2. I will miss you till next Sunday. Goodbye.